Cheers. Hi, Wysot.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay. All right, you guys all showed me your best ho, ho, ho. Now I want to talk about your best Christmas tree, your holiday tree. What is your holiday tree style? Is it the traditional Fraser fir that's like 6 feet tall? Maybe a Charlie Brown tree. Those are always cute. Perhaps it's something metallic that has like a light that shines on it as it turns around and turns different colors. Remember Grandma's tree? I loved that tree.
It was the coolest ever. I'd give anything to have that Christmas tree.
Oh, they're very
I love that tree.
now. They are. I know. So as you see, we've got our tree decorated, ready to go. But I was looking at some, lovely. I like it. Where's your tree, Diana? Actually, you know what, Diana? Your tree is right behind you and you didn't even know it. This is what I want to tell you about. I was looking around for some unique ideas for your holiday tree, whether it's a Hanukkah bush or some sort of, something really fancy. Well, I ran across a tree that was made out of books. And what they did is they took and arranged them and stacked these books. All their books, like say from their personal home library, into the shape of a tree. And then they put lights all over it. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so Diana.
That's very cool.
I love that tree. It was so cool. And then I started looking some more and I ran across, Marcy, your tree. It was the blingiest tree, effervescent, beaming with light, twinkling with little crystals, and it was so shiny and shimmery. This is a Marcy tree. And then I ran across a Wysot's tree. And it was a tree made out of wine glasses. You should see this thing. It is so cool. I'm serious. I'm like, oh my gosh,
that's awesome.
So this year,
Susan, was it on the internet?
Yeah. You can just Google.
Now it's on Facebook.
Yeah, it's on my Facebook page too.
Yeah, post it on Facebook. I'd love to see it.
I'll put it on the Wysot's Facebook page if you want to see. I'll put both of them up there. And
okay.
So this year, I'm just kind of putting it out there to ask you what is unique about your tree and to think about what's unique about your tree. Because nobody's tree is the same unless you work at Macy's and you took home a Macy's tree. That's your department store tree. But everybody has something unique. So, Diana, have you guys put up a tree yet?
We don't. We typically are not super early, so our plan is to get it this week and put it up and decorate it. And we do have something a bit unique that we do.
What's that?
And we just have a very eclectic collection of ornaments of all kinds and shapes, but most of them either have either a nautical theme or a wildlife theme. And so around the middle of the tree, I put we have lots of pirate ships with Christmas lights and the guys and kayaks and boats and people floating on rafts and, like it's the land and sea. And underneath we have lots of fish and octopus and crabs and seals and that. So it's kind of the underwater. And then up above we have all the birds and the flying things. So anyway, it's really fun. That's what we do.
You're making me feel very fascinated.
Above and below.
I'm getting in the mood. Marcy, tell me about what's unique about your tree.
Well, my tree is all copper ornaments except for one. And I don't know if you can, I'll have to take him off. Hang on. This is the only ornament that isn't a copper shiny ornament. He's a little purple dinosaur that was Brandon's when he was a little bitty kid. And so, the tree.
That's so cute.
And he hung it on today for me.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, he's 35 years old. I still make you do it.
Oh, that's really special. That's really special. Well, I got to tell you, I kind of have an in with, the guy at the North Pole. So I'm going to be keeping track of what people are doing unique to their trees, and I'll pass it on to him, okay?
Excellent.
All right. So don't you be naughty, Diana. You get your tree going, okay?
Yes, I'm already thinking about it.
You continue to be a nice girl, all right? And
that's a full-time job for me.
Continue?
Yes.
Continue?
All right. Well, you guys
Baby start.
Enjoy your decorating and your family time with your holiday tree, no matter what it looks like. Just enjoy every moment of it, okay?
Will do.
Cheers.
Laying a finger aside of her nose and giving a nod, up the chimney she rose.